Getting started with 4 tablespoons of butter. Then we're gonna come in with a bag of marshmallows and we're just gonna dump those right in there with this butter, you guys. And then, of course, you know, we have to stir that and mix that all together until the marshmallows are melted in with that butter. All right, you guys, look, you can see that all of that delicious butter is melted in with the creamy marshmallow. And you know what? This alone is like all-time favorite little platform for any sweet treat. Okay, you guys, so we're grabbing some Cheez-Its. Check it out. Do not knock it until you try it. Now here I have like an extra large bag of Cheez-Its. So we're only gonna use about a half of a box. You need about 11 ounces of Cheez-Its. Okay, so we're gonna mix those all in with the marshmallow. Now, of course, you guys, if you use a little bit of Cheez-Its, you mix it with the marshmallow, there's still a lot of marshmallow in there, add more Cheez-Its. Just like a Rice Krispie treat, you can always add and take away. And you know what? You're better off starting with less and then adding more, right? So just starting with less. It looks like here, I'm gonna add a little bit more right in here because I can see that I need some for my liking of marshmallow to cracker, and that looks like that'll be about perfect. So you want to mix that all the way up until that consistency that you like and get all of those Cheez-Its coated with that delicious marshmallow mixture. Wow, look at that. We are coated up just the way I like it, and it looks like we have a little bit of marshmallow all over each Cheez-It here, and that's exactly the way that I want it. So now we're just gonna come over and we're gonna dump, look at that Cheez-It marshmallow mixture. We're just gonna dump it right here into our pan. Just working with a 9x13 pan here. And then we'll start to spread it all the way out. So basically, I mean, you're just literally making this like a Rice Krispie treat, except you're using Cheez-Its. Can you believe it? Okay, so while I'm spreading this out, I need to tell you guys a little story. I posted this recipe that my parents used to make with marshmallows and saltine crackers and a little bit of butter that we put a marshmallow on, you know, we popped it in the toaster oven. And then we're just gonna take some sea salt here. We'll sprinkle that right on top. And so many of you guys said, oh, I used to put a cracker with a piece of cheddar cheese and with the marshmallow. So I thought for all of you lovers out there that enjoyed that treat, what you're gonna do is you're gonna try this because that's exactly why I'm making it. So we're using a Cheez-It with this marshmallow mixture, and you guys, I think that you are really going to enjoy this. I put a little bit of sea salt on it. Now I'm just gonna take my handy dandy potato masher, and you can tell that I'm just mashing down these Cheez-Its so they all stick together, you guys, and that's it. We have a little 3-ingredient treat here, and I'm gonna let this sit, then I'm gonna cut into it, and I'm gonna try it because I haven't had it yet, and I'm doing it for you, and I think you're gonna love it. Ooh-wee, I cannot wait to try these, you guys. I am super stoked about it. We are good to go. Oh, listen to that crunch of those Cheez-Its. The marshmallow looks nice and gooey. Of course, they could have sat for a longer period of time, but I just couldn't wait. I need to try what this is all about, this creation. Look at that marshmallow. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna take a big bite. Wow. I'm highly impressed. Oh my goodness. You know, when you guys were saying cheese with marshmallow, I was thinking, are you serious? But I totally get it now. These Cheez-It Crispy Treats are the bomb. Oh my goodness, you guys, would you try these? Have you ever tried cheese and marshmallow combination? Are you one of those people that I'm talking about? Let me know what you think of this fun recipe, you guys. I hope you try it, and we'll see you guys later.